Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. And it's hot and humid these days, I think around the world. And in this video, we will be seeing a solution for this heat wave. I put all my instant thoughts and tried to figure out what I can do, but I ended up buying a portable fan in Taobao. Taobao is a website similar to Amazon online shopping. Oh yeah, and in this video we will be unboxing this portable fan and seeing the cost of it, like what is the cost of this product in China, and you can compare what is the cost in your country as well. Before going into the video, don't forget to subscribe the Pondy Boy channel. Come on, let's go into the video. So here we are. This is the product which I ordered in Taobao, which is similar to that of Amazon, and this only we are going to unbox it now. Let's see what is inside that. It's a spray fan. It has like 3 different colors. I don't remember what color I ordered. Let's see. So this one is it. They have a manual, user manual in it, and then the fan and a stand for it. This is the stand and the charger. So this fan, like if you could see here, the charging point is here, and then like here you could have seen here, it's it has mentioned here the spray fan. Spray fan means like, oh, you can put water here inside this, you can put water, and then it sprays the water like a mist. Let's see how it's gonna work. So here is the on switch, like you could see here is the on switch. I press it here, and like you can hear, it's like mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. Yeah, it's nice. Now let's pour water and see how the mist button works. Let me pour some water now. I need to pour here. I'm just pouring the water. So it's like very compactable, because whenever you travel, this fan, like it's very useful. So now I'm going to turn on the fan after pouring water. So just the fan, like as I said before, 3 modes, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to press the mist button. You can see. It's so, it feels good. You see here the mist, and it stops. It's so compactable, like you can take it whenever you go out to public transport, and it's very humid these days, and you can instantly use it. Also I never said the cost of this product. So this battery capacity, what I'm using is 3000 mAh, and which cost around 44 RMB. The product ranges from 1200 mAh battery capacity to 3000. So 1200 cost is around like a 15 Quai RMB, and 15 Quai, and the 1500 mAh battery is 24 RMB, and the 2000 mAh battery is almost like 35 RMB. So this is the cost of the product in China, and mostly these products are exported from China. If this product is available in your country, you can find out what is the cost of that product in your country, and also you can comment in this video if it's not available in your country, like what to do. I can guide you on that. And also if it's available, you can let me know what is the cost of the product in your country. Hope this video would have been more interesting and informative as well. Don't forget to share this video and also like and subscribe the Pondy Boy channel. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye.